Beacon Fire Protection's very much a family-run business. It's myself, my wife and Leanne and Sean, my 2 kids. We do fire alarm servicing, installation, maintenance, commissioning, security, CCTV. What Uptick had was the experience and the knowledge of understanding the fire industry, the 5-year discharge testing, the 4-year battery replacements, etc. They understood it, they knew the industry, which gives you great support and belief in they know what your end goal is and how you want to achieve it.
I think we looked at least 10, 15, maybe even 20 other similar companies to Uptick, and none of them were anywhere near. The app's so much easier to use than all the others. The dashboard, everything, customer portal, everything. It's head and shoulders above everything else.
Before using Uptick, it would take a long time for the engineer's paperwork to get processed. It would be 3 days before they come in with the paperwork, and I would have a stack like that I'd have to get through.
The systems that we had beforehand were definitely a lot harder to use. So now, compared to Uptick, where I have no paperwork whatsoever, and it's all just there to update, to change, to modify.
I would spend a full day processing invoices, where now I can literally see that there's one popped up ready to invoice. I'll click a few buttons and it's gone, which frees me up to help other members of staff do things and help with the daily running of the business rather than just being sat here with mountains of paperwork.
If you're not sure where the job is, you can sort of hook it up direct to your sat-nav and it'll take you there. Now we can pin the location exactly, so next time we go, even if it isn't actually where the postcode tells you, it'll take you to exactly where that pin location is. So you're not then flying past the turning or something like that.
Yeah, I would recommend Uptick. Definitely, it's so much easier than having a bit of paper that I'm going to lose 500 times. You know, jobs getting pinged across to me, then it's there. I've got the information. Before I ring a client, I can look through their job, see what kind of panel it is, what the code is, where the detector that they've said has gone off, where that is. I've got it all there. And I know what make it. It's just so much easier.
For someone who's not used a system like this before, for it being as efficient as it is, I couldn't imagine having to do it a manual way. So there's definitely, you know, a bonus with it. One of the things that I really love is the map. I like to be able to pinpoint where the engineers can go. I like to be able to have a route in place where they're not going back on themselves. So yeah, having that map there is really helpful.
I would definitely recommend Uptick just because I think it's so easy to use. Everything's there. Say I made a mistake on something, it's so easy to go back into it, rectify it. Nothing's set in stone, so you can go in, sort it, carry on, and it doesn't take any more time at all.